Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the RDR2 game. The code execution cannot proceed because the EMP.dll was not found. And I will show you guys the best effective solution to fix this problem, so make sure to watch this entire video to fix this. So first open up your any browser and here in the Google search box just type the DLL files and just search for it. And now open up the first website which is the download missing DLL files. So now here just click on the search for the missing DLL files. Now here you can just type the emp.dll. After that just hit the enter and now this file will show here. So once this file was shown, just click on the emp.dll and now this file was start opening. So once you open the file here, you need to just scroll down and you will see its architecture, which is the 64 and its version. Just click on the download option you are seeing here and now you will see that your download will start in the second. Just wait for it and then it will start downloading into your PC. After it was downloaded, just drag and drop this file into your desktop. Just click on that file and just drag it into your desktop. After that, just you need to just right click on the WinRAR file and then click on the extract here. And now this file will extract the two files. So now you can just delete this WinRAR setup and also delete the readme, which is the second file, and just drag and drop this emp.dll file into your Red Dead Redemption 2 game folder. After that, just restart your PC and your problem is fixed. And guys, there is 90% chances your problem is fixed. Unless if your problem is not fixed, then you can go with the next solution. So you can open up your Steam and now here you can just simply go to your Steam library and just click on the game which is the RDR2 and just click on the gear icon and click on its properties. And now here just simply click on the install files. Now here just simply click on the verify integrity of the game files. So once you click on that, this built-in function will start repairing your files, or there is any corrupted files. This function can fix them automatically, and this function can also fix the missing files. So all you need to do is just click on the verify integrity of game files. After that, just restart your game and your problem is fixed. And if your problem is fixed, so please like the video because this is motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.